You are going to love the 2017 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, lane departure warning, power liftgate, backup camera, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.